Some forms are changing across the university. The University of Rochester is shifting from its old FRS Chart of Accounts system to the new Workday FDM or Financial Data Model. This means a new coding system for the U of R's financial accounts. To accommodate this switch, some forms are changing to include new terminology and for consistency. While this does not affect every form in the U of R's repository, most of the finance forms have changed. You will need to use the new updated forms starting on the date listed on the finance form page. Doing so will ensure you get the right account information entered, avoiding potential delays that will result from having to resubmit returned forms and ultimately saving you time in the future. You may be wondering where you go to find the new forms. The answer is the UR Financials webpage. Even if you already have a form saved to your computer, you will still need to download the latest version. Remember, you won't be able to use those old forms. From the UR Financials homepage, which serves as information central for this transition, open the Forms navigation link and access the Forms impacted document. Here, you can view all the forms that have been updated for UR Financials, as well as the date they were updated and their location on the U of R website. Once you confirm your form has been updated, you can open the URL. Or return to the Forms page and click the Finance Forms link. As the page is updated regularly, it's a good idea to bookmark the Finance Forms page for easy access in the future. This page has been updated specifically for the UR Financials transition. The form's description indicates the form name. Final date to use old form shows you when to start using the new forms. Note that this is an example of the Finance Forms page and the dates indicated may change. The Form Link column allows you to download the latest version of the form in either Excel or PDF format. Use the Excel format to fill out the form electronically, or use the PDF format to print out and complete by hand. It is best practice to complete forms using Excel. When forms are filled in electronically, the totals will automatically enter, ensuring your calculations are accurate. Download the Excel format by clicking the hyperlink. Once you have the form, you can then fill it out. As you explore the new financial forms, you will notice some changes. The instructions included when you download the form will help you fill out most of the fields, but let's take a moment to get familiar with the new features. The most fundamental change is that FRS accounts are now called FAOs, or Financial Activity Objects, and include debt services, grants, loan programs, operating programs, projects, and gifts. In addition to the FAO, you need the company, which used to be the division. You also need to include the spend category. This used to be the FRS subcode. You may not know the new company, spend category, or FAO offhand, and that's okay. To help you translate the old FRS codes to the new FDM codes, you can use the Financial Data Converter, or FDC. Return to the UR Financials page and click Tools. Here you'll find the converter. Enter the existing FRS code and click Look Up. Just like that, your FRS code is translated to FDM data. The custom work tag ID indicates the company, and this is your FAO code. Both fields need to be included on your form. The Cost Center and Fund ID rows further categorize your financial data to help define its purpose. Finally, you have the Spend or Revenue category, which is also used on the form. Due to the process of converting the FRS code to the financial data model, an FAO may belong to multiple spend categories. Since the converter can translate only one spend category, you should confirm the category is accurate. To help you, the U of R has created a job aid that matches the ledger account ID number to all of its associated spend or revenue categories. The UR Financials Ledger Accounts, Spend, and Revenue category listing job aid is also located on the Tools page. Click the link to download the file. Open the All Accounts tab and scroll down to your FDM's Ledger Account ID number. Here, your spend or revenue category codes will be listed. Select the appropriate spend category from the list. Take the spend category code from the job aid and write it into your printed form, along with the FAO and company codes from the converter. Note that there are two crosswalks on the Tools page you can use in place of the converter to translate your FRS code. They are the FRS account to UR Financials FAO crosswalk and the FRS subcode to Workday WorkTags crosswalk. They will be updated regularly, so be sure to download the latest version of these documents. These tools list the FRS codes along with their UR Financials FAO equivalent in an Excel spreadsheet. Again, use the job aid to ensure you have the correct spend or revenue categories. Once you finish entering information into your form, you need to get it signed by the appropriate approver and then send it to the correct finance department for processing. If you need help filling out the information on your form, instructions and tips are included when you download the document. Other QRVs are also available on the UR Financials page with instructions for specific forms. If you need any additional assistance, use the UR Financials Contact Us page. Thank you for viewing this instructional video.